Here's Mama playing with her baby. This is the part that's always fun to watch. They do this for right whenever they turn 6 weeks. She starts to do this with them. There's Hank. And here is Gunner and Tanner. I believe Sadie's running over there. Is he scaring you? Scaring you, Hank? You too, Leo, huh? What? Here comes Sadie back over here. Barney and Grace, little Grace is over there. Noelle. Oh no, that's Sadie over there. Oh, she says, nope, no feeding time.